Alright, welcome back. We are looking at the plane now. It is flying in. Probably about 1.5 miles away. You can kind of see it in the top center of the screen there. So here it comes. You can barely hear it when it comes by. I mean, it's electric, it's solar, really quiet. But look at that wingspan. This thing is about 1 mile away from us right now. Hi, Kiyoki. So you're watching the world's first solar-powered plane. It doesn't require a drop of fuel, and it can fly for days at a time, day and night. It doesn't only have to fly in the daytime, it's got batteries so it can fly at night. Which is why it was grounded in Hawaii. The batteries overheated and had to be replaced. So it just went out for a 90-minute test flight this morning. Not a test flight, sorry, I keep saying that. It's a training flight. The pilot's getting back into the plane for the first time since it landed in Hawaii. So it's going to come and it's going to land right next to us. We're going to get a chance to see it really up close here in just a second. Plane looks good as it comes in for a landing. Total solar powered airplane, powered by the sun with battery pack so it can fly overnight. As it crossed over to the Pacific on its way here, there was, I understand it was a 5-day flight for the pilot. One pilot, one person in the plane at any time. And here it comes. Nice. Well, you should put your song to these guys at solarimpulse.com. Go for it. All right, and we'll get some photos. We'll put them up on the Twitter account here later. We'll talk to the pilots. And it's down. Try and zoom in a little bit. That looks horrible. It'll come close to us. All right, the engines are off. The plane has landed. This thing has a wingspan of a 747. I stay a little longer. And it's down. Safe landing, first training flight for the pilot. Almost a year since they've been in the plane. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the hangar with them probably in about 15-20 minutes. So if you wanna hang out for that, just follow me or check me out on Twitter, and we'll have a chance to get an up-close look at the plane and the pilots and all of that in just a few. So thanks for joining me. Thanks for sharing.